In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save conversations in Google AI Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open the tool, start a quick chat so there's something worth keeping, and then save that conversation straight to your Google Drive for easy access later. This is great for documenting research, preserving useful prompts and replies, or sharing a polished exchange with teammates. First, open your web browser and head to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the chat or playground area where you can interact with the model. If you land on a different page, use the site's main navigation to switch to the chat interface. Give the page a second to load all controls, so the save option will appear later when you need it. Next, type something into the chat to create a conversation you'll want to keep. You can ask a question, request a summary, or paste a short paragraph and ask for improvements, anything that gives you a helpful response. Press enter and let the model reply. If needed, follow up with one or two clarifying messages so the thread captures the complete information you want to save. Keeping your prompts clear and specific now will make the saved version far more useful later. When you're happy with the exchange, look for the option to save it to Google Drive. Depending on your view, this may appear as a Save or Export button, a Drive icon, or within a More Options menu near the conversation. Click it. The first time you do this, you may be asked to grant permission so AI Studio can create a file in your Drive. Approve that prompt to continue. You'll typically be able to choose a folder and name the file. Use a clear title that reflects the conversation's purpose, like Product Frequently Asked Questions Draft or Research Summary, April. If you collaborate with others, placing it in a shared drive or team folder makes it easy for everyone to find. Confirm your choice, then wait for the success message. Once it's saved, you can open the file in Drive, share it, or add comments just like any other document. That's it. Open Google AI Studio, start a chat to generate something worth keeping, and use the built-in Save to Google Drive option to store it neatly for future reference. Try this on your next session so you never lose a great prompt, a polished answer, or a valuable brainstorming thread.